Kwa takriban zaidi ya miezi 6 kwa sasa, mwanawe kinara wa ODM Raila Amolo Odinga ambaye anatambulikana kama Raila Odinga Jr. hajapata kuonekana aswa katika mkutano wowote wa siasa wala mkutano wa hadhara, jambo ambalo limepata kuzindua maswali baina ya Wakenya na watu wenye heri njema ambao waswa wanajihusisha na siasa za familia ya the Odinga family. Former Prime Minister Raila Odinga's son Raila Jr., who has recently been missing in action, has caused a controversy on social media. Long considered his father's heir apparent, Raila Odinga Jr.'s recent action has sparked speculations on whether he is still harboring political ambitions. For the man who until recently was very active in politics, the ODM party leader Raila Odinga's son, low political profile has left many guessing on his exact political game plan going forward. In the run-up to the 2022 general election, Raila Odinga Jr. was very instrumental in his father's presidential campaigns. The 44-year-old was literally everywhere as he pitched for the former Prime Minister's election as Kenya's president in his 5th stab at the presidency. Now, even after the August 9, 2022 poll, which saw the then Deputy President William Ruto pull a shock win to become Kenya's 5th president, Raila Odinga Jr. remained vocal after that. Now, but over the last few months, he has taken a backseat in his father's political life. His youngest sister, Winnie Odinga, has been very vocal and influential in ODM and opposition politics in general. Now serving as the member of the East African Legislative Assembly, EALA, Winnie is rumored to be her father's preferred choice of a successor in Nyanza region politics. As for Junior, the former Prime Minister's only son, his silence is so loud that it has not gone unnoticed for the man who was always ready to take on anyone who stepped on his father's feet. His low political profile has shocked many. Raila Odinga Jr. is said to have retreated to managing his family's multi-billion business empire. Could it be that he is quietly assembling his political machinery, ready to launch his own political career come here 2027? Because it was rumored that Raila Odinga Jr. might be vying for Kibera seat or Langata constituency member of parliament seat come the year 2027. But due to how he is playing his cards right now and staying on a low profile, keeping it low when it comes to the political side, it seems he has another plan figured out. Now, or we ask, has he decided to quit politics after his father's disappointing defeat in 2022? As Raila Odinga Jr. finally decided that, you know what, it's my time now to plan and to take on to the family business empire and leave the politics to Winnie Odinga. That's what's up for now. Make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. This is FM Show KE.